and gentlemen, welcome to a new idea. Today marks a big day on our calendar. The Insider X Design Expo is a considerable milestone for the IID Hyderabad chapter, and we have a superstar in the world of design to inaugurate the exhibition. Architect Hafiz Contractor, on behalf of IID HRC, I thank you for graciously consenting to inaugurate the Design Expo and be a part of this show. You have chosen to be in Hyderabad at the loveliest part of the year. I hope you enjoy your time with us and can interact with some of the large fan following that you have here. We welcome our guest of honor, incoming IID President Pratap Jadhav, my fellow chapter chairpersons from all over India, who have come here to show their solidarity, our eminent speakers and panelists, Architect Kanna Patel, Architect Habib Khan, Architect Yashwant Ramamurthy, Architect Sonali Bhagwati, and Ms. Supraja Rao. All of you have added so much value to our event by your presence. We thank you for your time. To all of you who have gathered here for this momentous occasion, I will take a few minutes to talk about our passion, the Institute of Indian Interior Designers, or the IID. The IID is the apex body for interior designers in India. We have 27 chapters pan-India and are a voluntary body of architects, interior designers, trade members, and academia. The purpose of the Guild is to bring together all the stakeholders of the industry on a single platform to share ideas and information about emerging trends in the design industry. Our Hyderabad chapter has been one of the more dynamic regional committees of the country. National Best Chapter Award for Fellowship, Administration and Reporting. We meet regularly for interesting fellowship events, workshops, seminars, educational tours, and technical workshops that seek to push the frontiers of the design domain. In recent months, the Hyderabad chapter went on a highly successful educational tour to Sri Lanka, following the footsteps of architect Jeffrey Bawa. Our most recent CSR events include a fundraiser for the victims of the Vizag cyclone. We were honored to host a fellowship event with the eminent scenographer Rajiv Sethi. We had the screenings of 2 movies of architect Zaha Hadid and architect Frank Lloyd Wright, and our course of most recent event was the ever popular interior design quiz conducted by the Ethos team. The 3-day Insider X Design Showcase that we flag off today is our biggest showcase and will fund our various CSR initiatives and projects, including the revival of Telangana art, scholarships programs for meritorious students, and other community interface projects that are in the pipeline. A true architect, said Cameron Sinclair, is not an artist but an optimist realist. They take a diverse number of stakeholders, extract needs, concerns and dreams, and then create a beautiful yet tangible solution that is loved by the users and the community at large. We create vessels in which life happens. The Insider X Design Showcase has been carefully developed by our think tank of architects, interior designers, and traders from our chapter with a view to engage the entire design community and come up with new design solutions. Through this platform, we hope to bring together the diverse stakeholders of the design world and create an ambience of energy, breathing new life and dynamism into the interior design landscape of Hyderabad. Today, our 2 states are at the crossroads of a change, and we are ideally placed to add value and beauty to the process. So let's get together, ideate, brainstorm, and create some magic, not only for ourselves, but for all those who value meditative and contemplative design spaces. I now hand over the proceedings to Architect Manoj Wahi, who is the convener for Insider X and apparently has also been an intern at Architect Hafiz Contractor's firm. Thank you.